So the course that we give to the Ukrainian students is exactly the same course as UK students would get as well. So we don't tailor it just because they are Ukrainian. The standard we expect of the course is the standard. What we do is sometimes we change a scenario or give a little bit of context to something that they might have heard of or been familiar with through things that they see or hear on the ground in Ukraine. So it's a very steep learning curve, so it's quite quick to learn how to fly the tutor. They've previously done English language training before they get to us, but even with that, flying an aircraft and speaking English is very different. The one skill that we really try to focus on first of all is basic handling. So if you can get your basic handling to a very accurate and high standard, everything else becomes much easier. Yeah, I feel very privileged to be in this position. It's having a real world order effect, me teaching these students, seeing them come in every day, knowing what is going on in their country. It's very admirable.